Bill Nye, the idiot guy.
Hi kids! We're gonna learn how you can do things with your human body! Like this! This is something you can do called running.
Hold on, Bill Nye, we'll get the hospital. Hold on, just stay there. We'll get the hospital. They're coming soon. Okay, do you need some help?
Yes.
Let me just do the demo by myself.
Oh,
Here's the demo. Here's the demo.
this is how you run. You kick and you see a ball, right?
Yes.
Bill Nye,
Yes.
put it on the stand and come here.
Fine.
Point it at the ball.
Okay.
Now, lay down. Lay next to the ball.
Okay.
Don't worry, you won't get hurt.
This side?
Yeah. No, turn a little fast. Turn it up. This way.
So you're laying like this, like the ball's right here, and you're laying like this.
Oh, okay. Go, go. Here we go. Yeah, there we go.
This is karate.
Are you sure that's the same?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Is this karate? Bill Nye, the idiot guy. And this is something you can do called rewind.
Thank you for watching this stupid broadcast called Bill Nye the Idiot Guy. Please visit our channel, 73 Michael Ryder. Thank you for watching Bill Nye the Idiot Guy.